Let us now see that how to check for spelling errors. While writing on your presentation, if you make some spelling mistake, then that particular word with mistake will be showing a red wavy error line. You can right click on that word and either select the correct spelling from the suggestion or ignore the mistake. This check for entire presentation can be performed from the Review tab. For this, go to Review tab. From here, we can select option called Spelling from Proofing Group. A dialog box or a pane will open where you will get a word that has spelling error. Then we can see list of words as suggestion of correct spelling. You can select the correct one and click on change. If what you have written is not a spelling mistake as per your presentation, like this ka, then simply click on ignore to avoid correction of that error. You can also add the word to PowerPoint dictionary so it can be used in future without it showing as a spelling mistake. Now let us see View tab. In View tab, we have different view options for presentation, like Normal, which is by default view of PowerPoint presentation. In the Outline view, only points will be written on left hand side and slides on right side. Next is Slide Sorter, in which all the slides present in our presentation will be placed next to each other in form of thumbnails for quick review of flow of the presentation. In Notes page view, slide will be shown at the top of the page and notes below it. In Reading view, you can read the content of your slide. This view is not like a slideshow. It is used just to read the slides with editing disabled on this mode. In the Show group, we have different options like Ruler. By clicking on it, you can make ruler visible horizontally and vertically. If you select grid lines, you can see small grids on the slide. And on selecting the guides, you can see the slide is mainly divided into 4 parts. Then there is a notes option to show or hide notes pin. You can view or hide them by simply selecting or deselecting it. We can also zoom the slide by different percentage, like let's say 200%. And to resume to normal view, select Fit to Window.